Did you know you can boost your credit score and get ready to buy a house?
Really? My credit score's a mess. How can anyone fix that?
They taught me 3 simple tricks. 1. Keep credit card balances under 30%, like not piling too much food on your plate. 2. Set up autopay so bills are never late. It's like having a reminder robot. 3. Check for errors on your credit report. Mistakes can drag your score down.
And they help with all that? That sounds actually doable.
Yep, they even connect you with the right loan options once your score improves. It's like having a coach for home buying.
So I could finally own a house, like no more renting forever?
Exactly. They're all about making homeownership possible. Imagine us having family dinners in our own dining room.
I'm in, let's call them today.
At One World Realty, we turn your home dreams into reality. Start your journey today.